Question number 3, first subdivision. We are going to evaluate sin squared 63 degree plus sin squared 27 degree cos squared by cos squared 17 degree plus cos squared 73 degree. Now we are going to use both the formulas, that is complementary angles, which we used in the last exercise, and the identities in this exercise. So using both the formulas, I will show you where I am applying the formulas. We will solve this problem. Now first, I am going to write this sign in terms of cos. You know that sin theta can be written as sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Using that formula, I am going to write this as cos squared. This can be written as 90 minus 63 degree plus sin squared 27 degree. Then in this, what we are going to do is, we have cos squared 17 degree. I am going to write this in terms of sin. You can do anything. You can just keep this as sin and turn this as cos, or keep this as, change this as sin and keep this as cos. I am taking any one, that's all. So if you want, I will do the same here also. First thing, this cos can be written in terms of sin. We have cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So this cos squared 17 degree can be written as sin squared 90 minus 17 degree plus cos squared 73 degree. Now the next step will be cos squared 90 minus 63 is 27 degree plus sin squared 27 degree divided by, this is sin squared 73 degree plus cos squared 73 degree. We have the identity which says cos squared theta plus sin squared theta equal to 1. If theta value is going to be the same, then cos squared theta plus sin squared theta value is 1. It can be sin squared theta plus cos squared theta also. Since addition is commutative, it can also be sin squared theta plus cos squared theta. So we have cos squared 27 degree plus sin squared 27 degree equal to 1. Sin squared 73 degree plus cos squared 73 degree equal to 1. So 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. 1 is the answer. Now second subdivision, we have sin 25 degree cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree sin 65 degree. We have the formulas sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. We are going to use the formulas there. So we have sin 25 degree. Cos theta can be written as sin 90 minus theta. So we are going to write it as sin 90 minus 65 degree plus we have cos 25 degree. Sin theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta. So I am going to write this as cos 90 minus 65 degree. Now we are going to have sin 25 degree, 90 minus 65 is 25, so sin 25 degree plus cos 25 degree. 90 minus 65 is 25, so again we will have cos 25 degree. Now sin 25 degree into sin 25 degree is Sine squared 25 degree plus cos 25 degree into cos 25 degree is cos squared 25 degree. We have the formula sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. Now you can see that theta is the same, so the answer is 1.